Windshield's cracked bad. Gotta pull the dash. Yeah, I see it. Just get the cover off. Alright, let's get this front end aligned. Windshield's cracked, but frame looks solid. Good. Push on 3. This valve looks salvageable. Good. Let's get it in. And the torque wrench. Good. This bolt's seized. Try. Careful, it's fragile. Got it. After all the hard work, she's finally ready. She's a masterpiece. We did it.